This is my tablet I give for under warranty. Actually, the tablet is, if you see here, 32 664 GB. Yeah, as you can see here, this is 664 GB. Okay, right? 55664 GB. But what they do, they send me after warranty 32 GB. So even that is the same serial number on the body, because body is same, but after under warranty the tablet serial number is same. Here you can see, right? Sorry, here I think. So this is a mistake from Nokia. I don't know why they do this kind of things. Yeah, see, this is same serial here. So yeah, same serial here. So I have to go again. Tablet is under warranty few days more. Actually it's dead. Once I restart, only factory restart, and suddenly the tablet get dead. After I go to warranty, and luckily still have 1 month, and they give me 1 week time. After, normally I just, because many people sometime I just check charging, everything working, I come. I don't even expect that 464 to 332 GB. Maybe it's mistake, but whatever. I just want to share my experience with you in Nokia Indonesia. So maybe it's human error. So today I will go back again and I will ask them, give me back 464. So yeah, that's Nokia. That's the difference, big companies and the small company. I mean, this is now is it used to be a big company, but now what they done is really small service center. I mean, if you go to the big companies, of course they will not do like that. Motherboard was dead, so they changed the new board, and this is what I get it. Suddenly, I actually, luckily, the warranty going to finish after 4 days, and suddenly I just check like, 32 GB. I think my tablet was 64 GB, so it was very shocking. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Thumbs up if you get information.